What is up, everybody? My name is Samurai Rang, and today for you guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Coleman CT200U EX. Now, this bike comes with a 196cc motor, a glove box, a headlight, front suspension, metal front and back fenders, and is also pretty comfortable for stock. Now, when you first buy the bike stock, it is pretty slow, I would say around 15 miles an hour. But it's pretty fun in the woods. For someone who's buying one of these, I would say one of the first things you want to do is either take out the governor or do the zip tie trick, which is already done to this bike. And the second thing is to snap off the throttle thing. It prevents the throttle from being able to twist the entire way, so you'd probably want to take that off or break it off. But if you try to screw it, it tends to strip, so I would recommend just snapping off the little flange there, and then you're pretty much done. Now, on this bike currently is an air filter from GoPowersports.com and a exhaust pipe from Walmart.com. And we put a 60-tooth sprocket on there, which gives it a lot more low end, so I definitely recommend doing that. And if you're going to put performance parts on this bike, I recommend buying the kit from Go Power Sports to either put a pre-drilled jet in there or take the stock one and drill a hole in it to fit it right, because if you do not do that, the bike will spit and sputter and it will run bad. Now, one more thing about this bike, I run 3/4 110 octane in this bike, and the last quarter I top it off with regular 87 gas, and that actually makes it run a lot better. And yeah, I definitely recommend doing that. As you just saw, this bike is capable of jumping, doing wheelies. It's really fun in the woods, and it goes pretty much anywhere you point it. Now, this bike goes around $700, and I definitely recommend buying it. And if you're disappointed with the speed, you can always swap out the motor for a Predator 212, a 301, or even a 420. Some people might say that's too much, but you always can. Yeah, I definitely recommend buying this bike, and that's probably where I'm going to end this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.